Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Finks. Welcome to another episode of Easy Recipes, where I show you how to make a simple recipe your whole family will love. Today I'm making the best classic zucchini bread. This zucchini bread is the best. It's a classic zucchini bread that is incredibly moist. It's sweet and has just a hint of cinnamon. Let's get started. First, we'll grate our zucchini. I like to use the large grate of a box grater for this. We need 1.5 cups of zucchini. This is about 2 small or 1 large zucchini. Once the zucchini is grated, we'll transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of applesauce. I use unsweetened, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or your preferred cooking oil, 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this together until it's well combined. Now that we've got all our wet ingredients together, it's time to add our dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir this together just until no dry flour remains, trying not to overmix the batter. Pour the batter into a loaf pan that's been sprayed with cooking spray. Next, bake the zucchini bread in a 350-degree oven for 50 to 54 minutes on the middle oven rack. I always bake mine for 50 minutes and it turns out perfectly. Let the zucchini bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then take the bread out of the pan and let it cool on a wire cooling rack. Let the bread cool completely before slicing. This zucchini bread recipe has more sugar and more zucchini than most recipes, so it tastes amazing. And the applesauce makes it extremely moist. Store this bread covered in the refrigerator. In fact, this bread is best after it's been stored in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours. I like to make it the day before I want to serve it. Sometimes I serve this by itself or with a little bit of butter on top. I've even used peanut butter and honey on top. I ate this zucchini bread for a snack, for breakfast, or even for dessert. It's that good. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. Be sure to follow me for more great, easy recipes. Thanks for watching.